Hello Bladers! As part of Blade's advocacy to help every driver in keeping our roads safe, here are some ways to make it happen this 2019. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Safe driving resolutions for 2019. Number 1. Keep your ride healthy. Ensure that vehicle is always in safe operating condition, and that means thorough routine checkups and inspections by your trusted mechanic. Brakes and brake lights. Radiator, coolant and hoses. Transmission and transmission fluids. Suspension, steering and alignments. Oil and oil filters. Fluid levels, belts and hoses. Wiper blades. Number 2. Drive defensively. Make sure to drive defensively in order to avoid an accident. Roads in the Philippines aren't fully developed and sometimes there are unforeseen construction problems and holes. Also take in mind that there are a lot of motorists and public utility vehicles that do not display proper defensive driving behavior. Maximize and utilize vehicle safety features. Anticipate hazards. Slow down and follow traffic signs. Number 3. Adjust to weather conditions. Take in mind that the number 1 rule when driving in poor weather condition is to slow down. In addition, here are also some precautions and ways that you should take in mind when driving in poor weather condition. Clean windows. Turn on your headlights. Always check your tires. Do not use hazard lights. Number 4. Be a responsible driver. Nearly all of us know someone who might have been into a car accident caused by unnecessary actions. Here are some friendly reminders to all drivers out there. No phones please, or might as well use Bluetooth-enabled earphones. Don't eat and drive. Turn down the radio. If something fell, don't reach for it. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.